Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Facebook story music not showing. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store and search for the Facebook, and you need to update your Facebook application. Once you done that, you simply need to go back and you simply need to open settings of your smartphone. Then you need to go into the app management and click on app list, and here you need to search for the Facebook. Click on that, click on storage and cache. The first step, you need to clear cache, and after that you need to clear storage, and then you need to allow all permissions, and after that you need to restart your smartphone and log in into your Facebook account. So once you log in, you simply need to click on create story, and now you can see that music option is available. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.